few months into my data science learning journey, I went to LinkedIn and I typed in data science women, and women in data science was the first thing that came up. I saw workshops and immediately my brain went, wow, that's like a really good opportunity to be able to learn from other women in data science. And so I became immediately interested and I registered for that month's workshop, and I've been attending ever since.
So as a member of the WiDS community, one of the items that I have learned about myself is I really like to help people, and I like to help people as much as possible. I've also presented workshops that highlight what is machine learning in the first place, as well as a more recent topic, how can AI be used to help reduce maternal mortality?
One of the WiDS workshops that I attended was delivered by Louvere. She was talking about how data science is being used to help women, specifically in areas of mortality during childbirth. I support women's courses, especially when it comes to childbirth and mortality and all of the problems that women could encounter while trying to save lives or to nurture other humans. So it's really exciting to know that data science is a very important tool that can be used to improve the lives of women. So it was really interesting for me to attend that workshop.
One of the WiDS workshops that I attended was on natural language processing, and the presenter, Lena, at the very end of it, offered a mentorship for two really lucky women. So I went ahead and after a lot of self-doubt and then self-encouragement, I reached out to her through LinkedIn and I managed to get the mentorship, and we've been working together ever since. And that has been a really important and pivotal part about my data science journey.
WiDS Workshops has influenced me personally. Women of a variety of backgrounds can have a space in data science, and the WiDS community provides a safe space for women to learn, to hopefully demonstrate their knowledge, and to overall, I think, obtain skills to help them thrive in data science and actually beyond. And also not just related to their careers, but I also think within their own lives.
I've had a lot of moments in the past year where I feel really alone and really lost. There's something very, very terrifying about pursuing a risk where you're not fully certain of the outcome. But I think something that's really important for advancing a career, and especially for changing a career, is to gain opportunity and to also gain experience.
Having taken WiDS workshops gave me the encouragement and the boost that I needed to host a workshop, knowing that lots of women would benefit from the knowledge and the experience that I currently have, so that I don't have to wait to be an expert to host one. So before WiDS, I don't think I had that confidence, but now I think I can actually do what I really love without fear. So it's really a great place.
So for my future, I'm currently looking towards grad school, and I'm planning to apply for master's programs in data science. This is something that's really exciting to me because I never thought that I would be in this position in my learning journey. I'm just excited beyond that to just keep learning and growing my skills by attending more WiDS workshops, and also excited to keep working with my mentor and to share our projects with the world.
You don't have to feel 100% ready. Find a couple of people who share the same vision or passion as you do, and then try to get them together and organize a WiDS website. I would say WiDS Global already has lots of materials that can help anyone to get started.
My hope for someone who attends a WiDS workshop is they are inspired to learn more, but also I hope they enjoyed the workshop too.